Hello everyone. In my video today, I want to talk to you about something exciting and important. Meta verification. Many of you may have heard about this new feature from Facebook, and I'm here to give you a detailed description of what it's all about. Meta verification is a process that allows users to confirm their identity and authenticate their accounts on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. When you get meta verified, you receive a verified badge on your account, which confirms that you're the real you. This verification is done by submitting a government ID and a selfie video as part of the authentication process. One of the key benefits of meta verification is increased protection from impersonation. With proactive account monitoring, Meta helps to identify and prevent impersonators who may try to target individuals with growing online audiences. This gives you added security and peace of mind while using these social media platforms. Another advantage of meta verification is the access to real-person support for common account issues. If you encounter any problems or need assistance, you'll have the option to reach out to a real person for help, making your experience on these platforms more user-friendly and reliable. In addition, Meta Verified can enhance your visibility and reach on the platform. With more prominence in areas like search, comments, and recommendations, your content may gain increased visibility to a wider audience, helping you connect with more people and grow your online presence. Meta verification also offers exclusive features that allow you to express yourself in unique ways, making your content more engaging and creative. Starting later this week, meta verification will be available for direct purchase on Instagram or Facebook in Australia and New Zealand, with monthly subscription options on the web and mobile devices. So, if you're looking to enhance your online presence, protect your account from impersonation, and access exclusive features, meta verification is a great option to consider. I hope this description has provided you with a clear understanding of what meta verification is all about. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.